Hello, welcome to TDS Online Math. Okay, so let's provide the solution to this question. All right, so we have 3 raised to x plus 1 plus 9 on 3 raised to x minus 1 plus 1 equals to 2x squared plus 3x. All right, so we are going to adjust the equation. Okay, so if you let 3 raised to x plus 1 plus 9 on 3 raised to x minus 1 plus 1 be y. If that is the case, then this side will be y. So we have y equals to 2x squared plus 3x. So let's keep this one. So let's call this one the first equation. Okay. Now, what we are going to do now is to look for y here. So once we get y, now bring y to its position and solve the equation. So we have 3 raised to x plus 1 plus 9 on 3 raised to x minus 1 plus 1. So that is y. So we are going to deal with this one. Now let's focus on this. Okay. Now when we are given x raised to n plus 1 is the same as x to the power n times x to the power 1. And when we are given x to the power n minus y is the same as x to the power n times x to the power minus y. Or we can write this one as x to the power n on x to the power y, so that we can subtract the powers. Okay. All right. Now we are going to split the 3 raised to x plus 1 and that of x minus 1. Okay. So this one can be written as 3 to the power x times 3 to the power 1 plus 9 on 3 to the power. So this side will be 3 to the power x times 3 to the power minus 1 plus 1. So let me put it here. Let's go ahead. Since we have base 3, let's see how we can write this 9 and 1. And don't forget 3 squared is the same as 9. And we can also write this 1 here as 3 to the power 0, which is 1. So have 3 raised to x times 3 to the power 1 plus 3 squared. That is 9 on. So we have 3 raised to x, 3 raised to minus 1 plus, so 1 is the same as 3 to the power 0. Okay, now let's see if we can factorize something out from both sides, that is the numerator and denominator. Now let's observe the numerator. Can I take 3 to the power 1 out? Yes. Now if I do that, I'll get 3 to the power 1. So 3 raised to x. So we have 3 raised to x here plus 3 to the power 1. Remember, 3 to the power 1 times that is this, and 3 to the power 1 times t to the power 1, we add the powers. So this side will be 2 on. Okay, so let's see. Now, let's take the 3 to the power minus 1 out and see if we can manipulate the bracket, what is inside the bracket. Okay, so this side will be 3 to the power x, so 3 to the power minus 1. So this side will be 3 to the power x plus. Now, we know this side is 0. So what should we do to this? Okay, now remember, in going back, this 1 times this will give us this. So this 1 times what value will give us t to the power 0. So when you combine t to the power 1 to t to the power 1, so minus 1 and then 1, that will be t to the power 1 minus 1, which is t to the power 0. So it means that this 1 times t to the power 1 will make it equal to t to the power 0. As simple as that. Alright, so what we are going to do now is to cancel out. That's very simple. So this one will cancel this. So I'll be left with 3 to the power 1 is 3 over 3 to the power minus 1. And this one is the same as 3 divided by 3 to the power minus 1. Now a to the power minus 1 is 1 over a. So this side is 3 divided by 1 over 3. So you can make this side over 1. So 3 times 3 over 1 over 1. That is 9. Okay, that is 9. It means this side, okay, is 9. So we have 9 here as y. So remember this equation. Y equals 2x squared plus 3x. But y is this. Okay. So it means that y, that is 9, is equal to 2x squared plus 3x. Okay. So y 2x squared plus x. Remember this one is y. So we have 2x squared. Okay. So 2x squared plus 3x minus y. But y is what? Y is 9. So I'll put 9 here equal to 0. So this one becomes quadratic. So 2 times minus 9 is minus 18. Let's go ahead and find two numbers. When we multiply them to give us minus 18, but when we add, we'll get plus 3. So 6 minus 3 is minus 18. 6 plus minus 3 is plus 3. So we have 2x squared plus 6x minus 3x minus 9 equals to 0. So we can factorize 2x out here. Left with x plus, so 3, okay, 2x squared, then we have 6x. So let's minus 3 out, x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so we have 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 and x plus 3 equal to 0. So it means 2x minus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. So we have 2x equals to 3. Therefore, x divided both sides by 2. 3 on 2. That's the first answer. And we have x equals to -3. So the solution to this problem, so x is 3 on 2 or -3 as the answer. All right. So subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. All right. So thanks for watching. All right.